Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, in order to turn on the dark mode, first we'll be required to tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen with the three dotted icon. Tap on the more button, guys, at the bottom right, and you'll land over here and tap on settings on this interface again. And on this panel where it says the appearance, just above the general, tap on the appearance option available for us, and you can see, guys, where it says choose a theme, and currently the light one is on. Now in order to turn on the dark mode on Viber, tap on dark and the dark mode will be turned on Viber. And there, guys, this is how to turn on dark mode on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.